Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use hot rollers on medium-length hair. First, make sure your hair is completely dry and free of tangles. This ensures a smooth rolling process and even curl formation. Next, generously apply a heat protectant spray from roots to ends. This crucial step safeguards your hair from the heat, maintaining its health and shine. Finally, section your hair into 3 or 4 manageable parts, ready for the rollers. Now, let's get to rolling. Start with the top section of your hair, taking a 1-inch to 2-inch wide piece. Place the hot roller at the very end of this section, then carefully roll it upwards towards your scalp. Make sure the hair is wrapped smoothly around the roller without any kinks. Once rolled, secure each roller tightly with its accompanying clip, ensuring it's snug against your head for optimal curl setting. Patience is key for beautiful, lasting curls. Once all your rollers are in place, let them cool down completely. This usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your hair thickness and the roller type. The cooling process is absolutely vital. It allows the heat-formed curls to set and lock in their shape. Resist the urge to touch or remove them prematurely, as this can cause your curls to fall flat. It's time for the reveal. Carefully unroll each hot roller, allowing the curl to gently fall. Avoid pulling or tugging, as this can disrupt the curl pattern. Once all rollers are out, use your fingers or a wide-tooth comb to softly separate and blend the curls, creating a natural, voluminous look. Finally, mist your entire style with a light hold hairspray to ensure your gorgeous, bouncy curls last all day long.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.